Welcome to the service clinic at Low Country Harley-Davidson. I'm Doc Harley. I'd like to talk to you about front rubber motor mounts for touring platforms. If you own a touring machine from 1980 to about 2008, your front rubber motor mount will wear out sometime in the lifetime of you owning the motorcycle. And you ask, well, how do I know if it's worn out? All right, this is a first edition of the rubber mount from Harley-Davidson, and you have this little bump up here, and the plate on your front of your motor, which we'll go to, rests on this. This would go in here, and this rests on top. And while your rubber mount is good, you'll have a gap between here. When that plate is resting on this part here, okay, it's worn out. Or if you look underneath, you may get a little bit more notice that, okay, my rubber mount is broke. So you're going to go to your Harley-Davidson dealer and you're going to say, hey, I need a new rubber mount. Well, you're going to receive the new updated rubber mount they made in 2006. The issue I have is you're going to receive the motor mount and it looks a whole lot different than the original. And there are no instructions for you to know how do you put this in. And I have seen it in both ways on it. So I looked up the service bulletin. The old one used to say top. That goes on the very, very top. But this one doesn't. So I looked it up in the service bulletin, and you won't find the information on how to put this in until 2007 manuals. But the top is this direction. You put this up, and you put the plate down. Now, follow your service manual when you're installing this, because there is play to align to get this so the bolt slides through without touching this or the rubber. It has to float in there. But I wanted to bring to your attention, this is the proper direction for the brand new rubber mount. It's a little bit stiffer, but it also lasts a longer time, and it supports a lot better. Now, how will you know this one is worn out because of the different design? You won't from on top. You're going to have to look down below and see if it's cracked or if this is protruding down instead of in the natural position that it is in. Just wanted to give you guys a little bit more update on parts that you will be replacing through the lifetime of owning your Harley-Davidson. I'm Doc Harley. We'll see you next week.